addition of the fractions using the number line. Now there are two conditions. Condition 1 is that the denominators are same. If the denominators are same, okay, then we don't have to worry much. We simply represent the numbers on the number line. Now how do we do that? For that we have to look at the denominator. Whatever is the denominator, the space between 0 and 1 should be divided into parts which is equal to the denominator. Here it is 7. So we divide it into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7th will be whole. And remember this will be 1 upon 7. This is 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7. This will be 7 upon 7, which will make it 1. Okay. Now for adding, what we need to do, we take the numerator of the first fraction. So from 0, we move steps equal to the numerator of the first one. First is 3. So from 0, we move 3 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3. Here we move 3 steps. Now numerator of second fraction is 2. Now from this point, we will move 2 steps further. 1, 2. Here we move 2 steps from here. So what we get is 5 upon 7. It means our answer is 5 upon 7. Now let us see the second condition, that's condition 2, if the denominators are different. If the denominators are different, then first of all we need to make them like fractions, which I have already told you in my previous videos. For converting this into like fractions, we take out their LCM. When we take out LCM of 2 and 3, okay, of the denominators, we take out LCM of these two, it will be 3 as it is, then by 3, this will be 1 and 1. So LCM will be how much? 6, right? 2 into 3 will be 6. Now this fraction, what will this become? Denominator will be 6. For this also denominator will be 6. Now 6 divided by 2 will give you 3. 3 into this numerator 1 will give you 3. So this fraction now will be 3 upon 6. Okay. In the same manner, the LCM divided by 3 will be 2. Okay. Now 2 into the numerator 1 will give you 2. So this fraction will be 2 upon 6. Now what we have to add is 3 upon 6 plus 2 upon 6. Now we follow the same procedure. On a number line, we divide the distance between 0 and 1 into 6 parts. Now let us see. This will be 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6, and this is 6 upon 6. That will make it 1. Right? Then we follow the same method. Numerator is 3. So from 0 to the right we move 3 steps. We never count 0. We count after that. Okay? So 1, 2, 3. We move here. 3 steps. Then 2 steps from here. 1, 2. 2 steps. So we get 5 upon 6. It means our answer is 5 upon 6. We have reached this number. I'm sure it's very clear to you all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.